Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add age restrictions or age guidelines on your Roblox game, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the roblox.com and simply you can find the create option. Simply click on create and you are on the creator hub. So it will redirect you to the creator hub. Now you have to do is simply check any of this. From here you can find the creations where you can find all of your games here. For example, this one here, so you have to do is simply click on this three dot button here and you can simply click on open in new tab. So it will open this at the new tab where you can find this this monetization, and from here or you can go to the moderation, and from here you can add users. You can find a bunch of options at the left hand side of your screen, and you can find from here, let me show you the overview of the settings here, and from the settings you can find the maturity and compliance. Simply click on maturity and compliance. Now from here you can find that they will ask you to start a questionnaire, so you have to start it by simply click on start. Now they will judge the users, that which aged users should play your game through these questions, that what your game actually based on, like violence. If there is any violence, then please answer the question actually based on the most mature or extreme content a player can possibly experience in your experience. For example, if your experience depicts mild violence occasionally and moderate violence repeatedly, declare repeated moderate violence. So if all of this, like here, that if it's contain violence, then it will be added a restriction for 18 plus or 16 plus at least, or if it's no, then it actually give 13 plus restriction. So what is the level of intensity? So you can see the mild and moderate. The mild, that means the impulse or unrealistic depiction of violence, or moderate means non-graphic realistic look depictions of violence and or death that do not violate that the Roblox community standards here. So you can select the mild or the moderate here. So I'm going to select the mild. So how frequent is the occurrence? So you can find it occasionally or repeated. If there is a repeated violence, then you can select it, or you can go with the occasional. So I'm going to repeat it here. Simply save and continue. Then here is the blood. If there is blood added on your game, so you can give the answer here. So yes, how realistic is the blood here? That realistic blood, what is the level of blood and or gore depicted? So like light or anything. So I'm going to save and continue this question answer here. So fear, if there is a fear, lots more, no, that could be action game, so no one actually have fears. Does this experience despite depict reference or encourage scared humor? No. So simply click on save and continue. Gambling related content? No. Simply click on save and continue. Then answer this question one by one, and it actually added that age restrictions according to your answers that you have give to related to your game. So you have to continue. So you simply give each and every questionnaires answer and simply click on save and continue, and you are good to go to add age guidelines on your game. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.